What is up, geeks, and welcome back to the Geek Man Cave, and welcome back to another DIY movie prop build. So today, guys, we're going to celebrate the release of Solo, a Star Wars movie, by creating Han Solo's iconic golden dice from the original trilogy. Today, guys, this is a super easy build. It took me about 10 minutes to make, and they look super cool. So without further ado, let's create those iconic original golden dice from the Millennium Falcon. So the first thing you're going to need, guys, is a pair of dice. Make sure they're the same style and the same size. Next, you're going to need a pair of screw eye screws. Now, the smaller the better, guys. I went for the 40mm by 1mm screws because these are how we're going to connect the dice to the chain. You're also going to need some sort of chain. I've had an old necklace lying around. I pulled it apart until it was 15 centimeters, as this is a nice size to use. So the last thing you're going to need is a Dremel tool to be able to drill the holes into the dice. So what you want to do, guys, is hold your dice in place by using a pliers or a vise, so when you drill into the dice, they don't spin around the room everywhere. What you want to do is to drill one hole into each of the dice to about halfway into the dice. This way, when we screw the screw eye into the dice, it holds it tightly in place. Once both dice have holes screwed into them and they're in place, all you need to do is to plier open your screw eye screws so you can loop in the chain. This way, either end of the chain will have the screw eye screws in, and then it's just a case of screwing them back into place. When that's done, the only thing left to do for this dice build is to spray the whole thing gold. Leave it to dry, geeks, and we're ready for the final reveal. There we have it, Han Solo's iconic golden dice from the Millennium Falcon. Cool to cosplay with, a custom collectible for your geek caves, or why not hang them from your car and makes you feel like you're driving the Falcon. I hope you've enjoyed this video, geeks. If you have, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more Star Wars, Marvel, and more things geek, you're in the right place, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll also be doing a Star Wars movie video review, full spoiler discussion live video at the end of the week. So don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I'm live. Also, why not find out how to make an epic DL44 blaster to cosplay with for less than £5. Link in the description below. You can see it on screen. Guys, it's one of my very first builds and one of my favorites. Again, I hope you've enjoyed this video, geeks, and remember, guys, it's your cave, it's your rules, and I'll see you next time.